Rhin-O-Tuff has been and still is on the cutting edge of bookbinding technology, and today Rhin-O-Tuff is proud to introduce the world's first collating punch, the Rhin-O-Tuff Tornado Autopunch EX. In the process and workflow of bookbinding, there's one large bottleneck. It's called finishing. The bookbinding industry's premier research group, Interquest, has worked alongside some of the world's greatest brands. Interquest recently conducted an important survey, surveying the bookbinding workflow of digital, commercial, in-plant, quick printers, corporate, and in-house printing. It was determined that 63% of total job time was spent on finishing, and the vast majority of that time is spent on punching and collating. Meet the all-new Rhin-O-Tuff Tornado Autopunch EX, delivering an average of 40% faster throughput time. This video compares the old way of manual punching, collating, and sorting with the new way, the Tornado Autopunch EX. We have set up a side-by-side timed comparison between the old traditional model and the Tornado Autopunch EX method. Keep an eye on those time clocks to see just how much time is being saved. This demonstration will cover 150 books, all with 25 sheets each and front and back covers. Total job time for both systems is 1 hour and 22 minutes for the Tornado and 1 hour and 59 minutes for the traditional method, scoring a 31% faster throughput time. Traditional high-speed punches can punch through a book block quite fast. However, covers and backs typically need to be done by hand separately. The Tornado Autopunch can handle multiple substrates at the same time. Along with the book block is fronts, backs, acetates, tabs, you name it. At the beginning of our test, we can see that the traditional method pulls out in front, punching lots of sheets in a quick amount of time, while the Tornado Autopunch is working with many substrates all at once, slowing the initial punching time down just a bit. It's precisely this step of manual collating that slows the whole process down. Removing slip sheets, adding front and back covers simply takes time. And because the Tornado Autopunch is combining all of these steps while punching, we start to see the time dramatically decrease in terms of throughput. It is the revolutionary Tornado technology that allows this machine to punch and collate so quickly. Well over an hour, the operator is still removing slip sheets and doing all the manual work of collating. The covers go on, the backs go on, book after book, getting them ready for binding. Another key feature of the speed of the Tornado Autopunch is that after it has produced book after book, punched and collated ready for binding, the operator can simply remove the stack from the machine, set it aside, and begin the binding process concurrently while the Autopunch continues to produce book after book for the next round of binding. It's true, both systems require the extra step of binding. However, the Tornado Autopunch allows you to bind a substantial number of those books concurrently while the machine is still punching and collating for you. The traditional method required the operator wait till all the books were completely punched and collated before the first was ever bound. With over 31% time saved, the total job time was 1 hour and 22 minutes for the Tornado, and the traditional method almost 2 hours. Saving you time and money while delivering superior performance, the Rhin-O-Tuff Tornado Autopunch EX.